This is the Wera 826T Turbo. It's got a planetary gearbox in it that rotates the tip 4 times faster than the handle rotates. It has a push button switch to lock out that feature so you can use it as a normal bit driver. And this is made in the Czech Republic. Because it's gearing up 1 to 4, you lose torque. And that determines what applications make sense for this tool. So when you're using the turbo function, this is a two-handed tool. The application is something that's going to have to stay put by itself. And I have found that taking apart laptops quickly is an ideal application for the Wera Turbo. In this video, I'm also going to talk about these Japanese bits and why I use them. Disassembling a laptop is a breeze with this tool. And then if you leave it in turbo mode, even for assembling, it's limiting the amount of torque that you can apply because of the gearing in it. So I just tightened these fasteners by feel. Let's check and see where I ended up. This is 0.2 Newton meters preset. Okay, I'm definitely over 0.2 Newton meters. This is a 0.38 Newton meter preset. Okay, yeah, it's tightening the fastener. Yeah, so I'm under 0.3 Newton meters going by feel, leaving this in turbo mode. Probably I'm around 0.3, I'm guessing, just going by feel with this. I bought this because of the gearing in it. That's the way I leave it set on my desk. And if I want a regular bit driver, I grab this. So what is the maximum torque that you can apply with this in turbo mode? Let's take the Proci. Let's see what the maximum is. I'm just gonna really crank on this as hard as I can. So I can get to about 2 Newton meters, not much more than that. But it's really difficult to go over 2 Newton meters. Your hand starts to feel it on here. In turbo mode, 2 Newton meters is possible, but it is not comfortable. So for those of you that don't know, this bit is manufactured in Japan by Vessel, and this is a #1 bit. Because the laptop fasteners are not Phillips, they're this Japanese cross type, this bit is perfect, and that's why I use it. Japanese bits have a longer anvil. This is a 13 millimeter offset on this anvil, not 9 millimeters. The Wera bit holder is not specifically made to hold Japanese bits, but it does. If I use my thumb to push all the play out of the Wera Turbo itself, you can see that the bit has very little play. It does catch. It's not made for this, but it works in there very well. So in this video, I want to also introduce these Wera J-type bits. These are Asian, Japanese industrial standard bits made by Wera. They don't have the 13 millimeter offset anvil, they have the 9 millimeter offset. These will fit into American power tools. So these are the Wera 851/4J. So the J on the end of the part number is telling you that this is a Japanese cross type, or a Japanese industrial standard, or a Japanese camera industrial standard. Wera also laser etches the size onto the bit. So we've got a 1, a 0, and a 00. Another reason why I like the Japanese bits is because Vessel machines down the diameter of the shank, and I really like that. This one is a little more bulky. These are a little bit harder to find. I'll put Amazon Japan affiliate links to these bits. I bought these bits at KC Tool, and I'll put affiliate links to these bits. I think that the Wera Turbo is perfectly suited for working on laptops, and if you agree, then you're also going to want to know that you should be using a Japanese cross-type bit, not Phillips. So I hope that was helpful, and thank you for watching.